Hi, I'm Kate with Dear Kate Brand Strategy. I'm excited to show you the Luna Joy template behind the scenes today. When you purchase a template from Dear Kate Brand Strategy, you not only get the Showit website template, but you also get my website writer workbook. I'm going to show you how that works because honestly, you should probably write the copy before you build the website. So I'm giving you the side-by-side view of the website writer workbook alongside a Showit template because they are really built together. I recommend writing all of your copy before you dive into designing. That way you can work on really connecting with the words and then how to highlight those words with the design in your website template. Each page of your website is laid out within the workbook. You can click here from the side navigation page by page. Also at the main top of the page, you've got instructions on how to use this and a table of contents that leads you to each page. You don't have to start with your home page. You can jump around, choose where you want to start writing and go from there. So if we wanted to start here with our services page, you can see it's got it broken down for you by what goes on this page, how to talk to people, and how to connect with them to help them decide if they're the right fit for you. And we only want to work with people who are the right fit for us. The beauty of this workbook alongside the template is that all of these labels here match what's in your template. So if we went to our first service page and went to our first service page in the Showit template, you'll see that the labels match. So Canvas 1 is the header. We would click on the header and it's got a place for a headline and a subheadline and a call to action. Boom, boom, boom. So we would copy paste whatever we had written here into this spot here. Same with our subheadline and our call to action. And it works like that throughout the whole page. So if you jump down to your solution and your solution here, that will match. Again, the what's next and what's next, all of that matches to make it really easy for you to write your copy and then get it plugged into your website. Within Showit, it is really easy to update colors and fonts to match your style, your brand. You'll just go in here to your design settings and choose your brand colors here at the top and then choose your fonts. Wherever these fonts currently are, they will change to whatever you change them to. So anywhere you've got a title font on the template, it will update to whatever font you change in this space. Same with your heading font, your subheading font, and your paragraph font. The other really awesome thing about Showit is you can add more photos, take photos away. You can change this as much or as little as you want. If you really just want to plug and play, you can just swap out photos and put in what you want here, swap out the text and be done. If you want to really get into it and change it a lot, you can absolutely do that too. To change a photo, you'll just click and press swap image. You can quickly update that to whatever you want from your library. And there you go. The other really awesome thing in Showit is that all of the text can move wherever you would like it. It can also turn sideways. You can rotate things. You can turn it straight up sideways if you'd like to. You can add more text or less text. It's totally up to you. Then you can just click a few buttons and align everything. You can also add galleries or additional photos anywhere on the page. It's truly drag and drop. All of my templates come with a home page, an about page, a contact page, 2 services pages, a work together page, a 404 page, which often gets overlooked, but can be a good way to draw people back to where you want them, terms and conditions page, and links pages, as well as your blog pages. The other thing that's really special about my templates is that they include these extra canvases pages. So for this template, on my homepage, I've got 2 services. If you are a person that has more than 2 services, it can be frustrating to try to make that fit. I've created additional canvases for you with 4 services or 3 services where you can just plop those in instead of the 2 service one and update it to your information. This template also has this version of how it works section, which is a drop down, which is really cool. I'm going to show you quickly the blog page. It's got a lot of different variety for you. So if you want just a simple blog feed, you'd go with this. You can also have some featured posts. I've also added those featured posts to your single post page. So when someone's reading a post, then they could find more that they might be interested in. It would keep people on your page longer. I've added a few different like special touches throughout all of my templates, and I cannot wait for you to check them out. If you have questions, email me at hello@yourkatebranchstrategy.com or hit me through my contact form.